When you're first starting out in voiceover, the amount of information you can find out there in the wild on how to get started can be overwhelming. And what today's video is about is hopefully to help you get past that overwhelm and just get started. So there's no shortage of information out there, whether it's on this channel or any other channel on YouTube or on Facebook or any other forums out there about voiceover. There's so many opinions, there's so many, ways to do certain things, and it can be like drinking from a fire hose. So what I want to talk about today is how to get past that and actually get started, no matter where you are in your initial startup journey. Hey there, my name's Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor, and I run the Voiceover Blueprint training program and this YouTube channel, where the goal is to give you zero-cost information about how to get into VO and how to grow a voiceover business. And if you are new to voiceover and want to get past this overwhelm and figure out exactly how to get started, I host a weekly webinar on Tuesday nights at 6 p.m. Pacific time where you can join, you can ask any questions you have about voiceover. You'll learn the path to becoming a full-time or part-time voice actor. And as a bonus for showing up for the webinar, you're going to get a free copy of my book, The Voiceover Blueprint. You'll get the digital copy as well as the audiobook plus 4 free additional gifts just for signing up. So it's absolutely free. Just click the link in the description and pin comment below, and I'll see you on Tuesday. A lot of people just do research and more research and look at this microphone and that microphone, and I get that you want to try to get all that stuff correct at the start, but if you go down this rabbit hole and that rabbit hole over and over and over again, you're just going to get overwhelmed and frustrated, and sometimes a lot of people just quit. There's a saying out there that says, fail fast and often. And that basically means that when you're starting out, you're going to make mistakes. Everybody does. So you can make those mistakes early, get them out of the way, and all those mistakes will just be more data for you to learn and get better quicker. So if you wait for everything to be absolutely perfect before you get started, you'll never get started, because I'll be honest with you, nothing is perfect. Here's a good example. Let's say you're trying to do your first DIY demo, and DIY demos are okay to do if you're looking to get started early on some of the smaller platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, just to kind of get some practice and some experience. But let's say you're starting your DIY demo, but you're waiting for everything, the right equipment, the right effects rack, and all that stuff. You're waiting on that to be perfect before you even start recording. So if you're waiting on something like, a professional effects rack, let's say you're waiting on an engineer to get that set up for you, that doesn't mean that you can't go ahead and start doing some recording and editing and learning the process that way, or even switching gears and learning the marketing side and, building a website or all the things that kind of go into other aspects of the voiceover business. You can get all that kind of stuff done while you're waiting on this other thing to happen, so that when that thing does happen, you'll already have some of this other groundwork completed. Now, this doesn't happen often, but it does happen. I know of people who, before they've gotten their professional microphone, they've used whatever microphone they had, even the built-in microphone on their laptop, to start doing some recording, and even have gotten paid using that built-in microphone on their laptop. Now, like I said, that is not typical, but that just goes to show you that progress can be made without everything being perfect. So the sooner that you rip the Band-Aid off, whether it's doing your marketing or recording your demos or whatever, the sooner you get that going, the sooner you'll get to where you want to be. But if you get into that analysis paralysis mode where you can't stop researching and can't stop doing, going down the YouTube rabbit holes, you'll never get started. So just rip that Band-Aid off and start right now, no matter how small and how minor you think those steps are. Every one of those steps counts. And what's going to happen is a year from now, you're going to look up and go, wow, I'm really glad that I started, when I did, because now I'm so much further down the road than I would have been had I just kind of kicked the ball down the road and not really dove in and started. Well, thank you for being here. I appreciate you hanging out for a little bit, and I hope this video has kind of helped motivate you to just get started, no matter how small, no matter how simple the step is. Just start no matter what. And another quick reminder about that upcoming webinar on Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific, where you can find out a little bit more about VO, ask any questions you have. You'll get a free copy of the book, The Voiceover Blueprint, just for showing up. It's absolutely free. Click that link down below, sign up, and I'll see you then. And if you are about to get started and you want to know how to build a professional sounding recording booth on the cheap, then I made a complete video about how to do that, and you can click it right there.